Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox the Dji Osmo Pocket 3. Although this product was released a year ago, it has recently caught my attention for several reasons. Initially, I was skeptical about its image quality, assuming it would be comparable to an iPhone paired with a gimbal. I was using an iPhone 13 back then. However, I was pleasantly surprised to discover that I was mistaken. Because the Osmo Pocket 3 features 1-inch sensor, which significantly enhanced its image quality, particularly in some low light conditions. Another compelling reason for acquiring this product is its size and compactness. It is incredibly convenient for travel, allowing me to capture moments effortlessly without drawing too much attention to the people around me. For example, imagine that you just have a tiny, compact size camera in the crowd of people with having a big camera. Which one is better? Of course, the tiny one will keep you in low profile without drawing people's attention. And in some certain situations, recording the video with the Osmo Pocket 3 is quicker than using my traditional camera with the gimbal. When using the Osmo Pocket 3 for filming, I don't need the gimbal, the presence of the gimbal, and I don't have to do the calibration before shooting. And of course, the absence of a separated gimbal makes it even more portable. While the video quality of the Osmo Pocket 3 may not match a dedicated camera like my Fujifilm, I know. I'm not doing the comparison between a 1-inch sensor with a crop sensor camera like my Fujifilm X-T5, but I believe the trade-off is worthwhile, given its convenience and portability. So this is the handle with 1/4 thread, so you can mount the 1/4 thread into, for example, on a tripod. To detach the handle, you can press the button at the center and then firmly remove it from the Dji Osmo Pocket 3. And this one is another handle, but this is the battery handle. So this one is just like battery bank for your Osmo Pocket 3, and it's also a handlebar. And at the bottom you can see it's also equipped with a 1/4 screw, so you can mount it on a tripod or anything that's a button 1/4 screw. And this is just another mini tripod. So I found that the tripod is very sturdy, so it's very stable when I place it on my table. One thing I forgot to mention that when you buy a creator combo, beside the battery handlebar, you will also receive the DJI Mic 2, which is an excellent microphone on the market. And this is the wide converter lens, so give you a wider angle when you attach it into your Osmo Pocket 3. but when I test it, it is not as wise as I expected. One thing to mention about when you attach the wire converter onto your Osmo Pocket 3, it will block the camera from rotating inside, so you have to remove it before you turn off the Osmo Pocket 3. And the last item is the protective case. So inside this protective case, it have 2 slots for you to store your wide angle lens and some other filters if you want. The protective case is very handy. It helps to secure your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when you bring it with you. And especially on the top of this case, you can attach your DJI mic tool onto it, and you can bring everything together with you. And yes, that's pretty much it. Thank you for your watching on this short product unboxing. I hope to see you again. Cheers.